Yo, hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we're playing some Minecraft. You passed the boundaries of funniness. Alright, my school world.
Eating cooked food reduces hunger better than eating raw food.
I know that.
And keep your animals safe. I can play my ice cream.
Don't kill my axe battery.
Alright, so
He's here to save mine, right?
I'm going to mine some coal, guys. Let's see if this gives me any
Hope you
XP.
find some diamonds.
What's that mean? Well, you good luck.
And can you watch your video when you're done, Anthony?
Yeah.
Logan, guess what for? I can get my candles. I can't see you.
I don't have one, so I'm gonna have to.
You should call it.
And my brightness is on 100, so.
Yeah.
Oh, iron, dude.
Call this mine in the
Alright. Well, God. Oh no, skeleton. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it.
Yeah, you killed it.
You should have used your sword.
I wasn't in the mood.
Creeper!
No! Frick, dude. Alright. Well, guys, I think I'm going to find that mine. Dude. Oh, you want to go, boy? I have a bow. I crafted it.
No, we
I have an iron sword.
You have swords sticking out of you, by the way.
I do? Let's see. Let's do this.
Arrow. Wait, no, you don't. No. He shot you.
I can get the awesome.
You have a cave?
Yeah.
That mod.
Is that your house?
No.
Go in it. That's his house. Oh, maybe that's his. You should have a door.
I know, but I don't want to because I'm gonna waste my wool. What do I have? I have some cactuses.
Wait, can I play?
I put cactus in my house.
No, take. What is he recording? Fine, and me and you swap if you want me to.
Dude, you're gonna.
Whoever's not playing in one of these devices, go in the middle. No, I'm in the middle.
Oh my gosh! There's a zombie and he's not killing. Hello? Can you hear me? I don't think you can. Yayi, you just got yayi.
You just got psyched.
Alright, so we're gonna put my potion up here.
Because I want to be here, Anthony. What's the big deal? I get to have to do this to watch him now. Make it do it.
Alright, this is going to be my door. Wait, why can't I play? Oh, I know why. Oh, I need sand. I'm gonna put this in my chest.
Why?
Just for storage.
You need sand.
I'm not used to this.
And you need water, I believe, too.
No, you don't. I'm totally not used to this because I haven't played for so long.
I can beat that level for you, Patrick.
Oh, yeah?
Suck
What?
a zombie. Go suck a
Suck
zombie.
on your mama.
What?
Suck on your mama.
Alright, well, guys, wait, are you a zombie villager?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna see if I. Nope, I can't trade with the dumb zombie villager. Oh, creeper. Alright, you know what this calls for? What?
Does he actually have TNT on his head?
He just fell. Oh, here's a mine. Alright, yayi, you just got yayi.
That's a creeper?
I just got you.
Yeah.
You need a candle. Where'd you get that coin?
Who got that iron bra?
What's
That's
your
so
thing?
lame.
Just got a coin. I don't know how.
Alright, well, we got. How much iron do
I'm
we
not
have?
used to this item.
We have.
Actually,
6. We have 6. Alright, guys, well, we have 6 iron. That's a lot of iron if you ask me.
And you can make iron sword, I'm pretty sure. Unless you already have one.
I already have an iron sword. Because I traded one with a villager.
what did you trade with a villager?
Oh, I know. You went. Make another one.
It's right click.
Make
too.
another one.
No, another video?
No. You should should watch your video.
I am going to watch my video after I'm done.
I said make another iron.
Alright, well guys, I don't know when I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this video when I find gold.
What? Somebody found diamond.
I found 11 diamonds in my other world.
Are you doing a YouTube video?
Maybe?
Yeah.
Yes. How do you know that?
Why is everybody crowding around it?
Alright, well, what's that? Bye.
You have to get out of here somehow now.
What? I'm in the diamond. Gold!
Where?
Right here.
Only one piece.
Video ended.
No, not yet. This is taking like forever. Oh,
Using a different
gold. I need gold.
using a stone pickaxe.
That's not gold, but.
Using a stone pickaxe.
Actually, I'm gonna craft a crafting table right now. So I have 57.
Want to see something here?
Yeah.
You know how he's screaming?
Just make a chest and while you're at it, just store away.
No, I don't want to do that.
Make it. Collect gold.
Wait. I need to collect it, but I need a crafting table to craft a iron pickaxe. Frick! I need burnt.
Did you used to have an iron pickaxe? Get more gold.
I need more stone.
Get more gold.
I need more stone.
Get more gold though.
You can't mine that if you don't have, doesn't have an iron pickaxe, you can't mine gold.
He can mine gold. Who cares? He can mine gold. Can you?
Yeah, but I need to craft a furnace.
You don't need to. You can mine gold.
Yeah, because I want to get an iron pickaxe. So, my furnace.
I think I'm kind of, the only thing I'm bad is when I try to craft a furnace, sometimes I bring 9 because I'm just going
Now put.
Coal.
No, I need to put this in it.
What?
Alright, so I can put that in it. I'm gonna
Watch this. 23 of them.
No.
So, here.
Alright.
Get the gold. Here. Get the gold.
Wait,
So, I'll show you
redstone.
what
I need redstone.
No,
Wait.
not yet.
Look more redstone!
No.
I did this.
There's more redstone over here.
Oh, where?
Something
Oh.
that I did. No, get the gold first.
I will get the gold. Gosh, the gold's not going everywhere. Going anywhere.
Yeah, but what if you die?
Then I will respawn.
And you won't know how to find the gold.
Oh,
It's too dark. Have
okay.
you ever found of that?
No.
Why?
But, well, I have an emerald anyway, so.
No, just get it.
I will get the
an
gold.
iron pickaxe. Why do you need gold? Gold pickaxes are worse than iron pickaxe.
I don't know, because I just want it for fun.
Why do we put that there? You can make that and dump. See,
But besides, I think gold might be a little better.
Then what?
I think gold's best. It's best in enchanted.
What?
The lava. I'm going to get away from. What? Why
You
am
don't
I?
have any room in your inventory.
Yes, I do. Proved it.
That was not.
Wait, Anthony, you want to go under the table?
No.
No.
Cause.
Miss Bainin!
Hi, Miss Bainin.
Hi.
And this is gonna be kind of
I don't really know you.
YouTube video. Just gonna delete it.
No, I'm not gonna delete my YouTube video. Why would I, dude?
Delete those parts that you didn't like.
Yeah, I could, but. Oh no! Skeleton, spooky, scary skeleton, creeping out at night.
It's on the river, kill one night, I'm back on night.
No! Run!
Hide in water.
Run all the way home.
Bye bye. Run.
Go, go, go.
I'm going.
Crap, get your stuff out of here.
Wait, I need to.
Hide in there.
Wait, I need some food. I need cooked chicken.
Go, chick. You don't eat. Did you know you can actually eat round flesh without giving yourself heart attack?
On the table.
No, I don't want to.
Don't eat anymore. Delete your stuff so you don't die.
Did you know sometimes you can eat rotten flesh without dying.
I know that.
Not getting hungry, I meant.
I know.
You're probably like a little piggy that way.
I know a lot about Minecraft. And do you know who taught me? Aiden.
I know a lot about Minecraft too.
I know, Aiden. You can't see it.
Yes, I can. I have brightness on 100. So what?
Cheat. Do you have cheats on?
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to. Or.
I mean, he sort of does. Yes, texture.
So cheat for a night vision potion.
No, I don't want to. I'm not going to cheat in my school survival world. When it gets to about 13 minutes, I'll end the video.
Go back.
Alright, I'm going to go back to kill. Alright, who wants to get Yayi today? You do. Yayi.
Hey, Anthony, what's your YouTube video channel?
Why should I tell you that?
I want to watch your video.
Diamonds!
Where?
Oh my god.
Not in the video now.
Where?
Nobody. Ah! Nobody say a word. One of mine is diamonds. Diamonds are the rarest thing in the game. Besides,
No, actually, what is that?
Diamond.
That's gold. That's gold gunpowder.
Go get it though.
Gold.
Go get it. Collect it.
I'm going to. Just wait.
What is it?
guys.
Well, how do you even get it?
Yayi. I don't know what it is actually.
It's diamond. Just collect it.
Alright, let's see what it is. In 3, 2, 1. What is this?
That's your leaf.
That's lapis lazuli. I need lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli is almost as good as diamonds.
And hey, collect them. Can't you use that to make some sort of color?
Isn't that like better than like?
Daylight behind you.
Where?
Go.
Wait, I don't need gold. Probably diamonds are in this spot. No, I don't need any
It's a
guys.
lava river. You can get some gold. It's lava.
Alright, so. Alright, do you know what this calls for?
Celebration.
Bridge. Yep.
Celebration.
No,
Get
bridge.
the redstone and the gold.
Oh, I get it.
Nope, there's no. Frick my life.
You should have got the gold.
I don't need any. I have 4 gold already, and I need some
Really?
storage.
You only have 4.
I
Don't
don't.
you want an iron pickaxe?
Gold is not that. I don't want a gold pickaxe.
What about an iron sword?
I already have iron leggings.
You don't have iron sword though.
Yes, I do. It's right here.
He has a diamond sword. I meant gold sword.
Rotten flesh.
This is rotten flesh.
I meant
It's
gold
like a
sword. Don't you want a gold?
Dude, what was that? No.
Go back to the mine. Yeah. You know where the mine was? And get candles with it.
Okay, I'm gonna craft some candles actually.
Do you need some end your video? Like,
I need coal.
hey, how about you?
And
How about you end your video, please?
I will. Wait, I need
Torch doesn't matter.
more torch. I need more torches. So I need to craft like a bunch of these, and then do this, do that, do this, do that, and do this, do that. And 64.
That's a lot of torches.
Alright, well guys, it's been 14 minutes. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you have to smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
So you're gonna go back to here, right?